Have you ever done the work, carried the pressure, delivered the result, and still watched someone with stronger credentials get more respect? Maybe you've been there before. You're in a meeting, the project issue comes up, you already understand the problem, the stakeholders, the timeline pressure, the delivery risk, but somehow the person with the stronger title or certification is the one everyone listens to first. That moment stays with you because it is not just about knowledge, it's about credibility, it's about being seen, it's about knowing you're capable, but not yet being positioned at the level your work deserves. And the truth is, this is not always about talent. Many hardworking professionals are already doing project management work without the formal recognition that gives their experience more weight. That's the gap PMP helps to close. And that is why J.K. Michaels created this project management professional certification training to help serious professionals prepare properly, build exam confidence, strengthen their project management foundation, and position themselves with a globally recognized certification that employers respect. Inside this training, you would deepen your understanding of project management principles, strengthen your exam readiness, and build the confidence to approach projects more strategically. And beyond knowledge, PMP helps signal that you are not just experienced, you are structured, credible, and ready for greater responsibility. And no, you don't need to have everything figured out before you start. If you're busy, ambitious, serious about growth, J.K. Michaels training can help you prepare with more clarity, direction, and confidence. I'll give you another story on an alumni, Seun. He had been coordinating projects and carrying real delivery responsibility, but he still felt his experience was not being valued at the level he should. After preparing properly for the PMP, he began showing up with stronger confidence, clearer structure, and a level of professional credibility that changed how people responded to him. Imagine working into the next interview or your project review or leadership conversation with that kind of confidence, not hoping people see your value, but knowing you're better prepared to communicate it, prove it, and also carry it. So if you're ready to stop being overlooked and start building the kind of project management credibility that opens bigger doors, this is your next step. Join the PMP certification training at J.K. Michaels today and take your place with confidence. Think training? Think J.K. Michaels. Think training impact? Think J.K. Michaels. Bye for now.